How to solve in these three example in a partial fraction. 2 upon x plus 2 and x minus 3. Choose any one. 3 divided by 3 terms are x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. How to solve? Step by step. First example, integration of x plus 3 dx. Integration of that 1 divided by x plus 3. This is very simple. Then denominator derivative will be present in the upper side. Then the answer will be log of x plus 3 plus constant. Second, 2 upon x plus 2 and x minus 3. We will apply it partial fraction. Both terms are a separate constant x plus 2 and plus sign p is equal to x minus 3. This is a example equation number 1. Arrangement of an equation a is equal to x minus 3 plus b is equal to x plus 2. Then the x plus 2 and x minus 3. 2 upon x plus 2 and x minus 3. Both sides, then term will be same, the cancel. Equation will be 2 is equal to a upon x minus 3 plus b is equal to b into plus 2. Then this equation number 2. This equation put any value, then be one quantity is to be 0. The put is equal to minus 2. Then this term equating 0, x is equal to minus 2. The put equation put x is equal to minus 2. Then a is equal to minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 and plus 0. 2 is equal to, so a is equal to 2 by minus 5. Again put is equal to x is equal to which x minus 3 is equal to 0, so x is equal to plus 3. Equation 2. The 2 is equal to first quantity will be 0 plus b into 3 plus 2 5. So b is equal to 2 by 5 will be positive, and both value are put in equation number 1. Then equation number 1 will be integration of 2 upon x plus 2 and x minus 3 dx is equal to a 2 minus 5 divided by x plus 2. This is the integration plus b 2 by 5 divided by x minus 3 dx. Then will be integration of this constant term will be take inside the integration of 1 by x plus 2 dx plus 2 by 5 integration of 1 by x minus 3 dx. There will be integration of 1 by 1 plus 2, then we will be log of x plus 2 plus 2 by 5 x minus 3 plus c. This is the integration of that two terms. Then will be 3 integration of 3 upon 3 terms are will be present, x plus 2 and x plus 3. Equating, separating constant, x plus 1 plus b is equal to x plus 2 plus c is equal to x plus 3. And then equation number 1. Rearrange in this equation x plus 2 x plus 3, both terms are multiplied in a, plus these terms x plus 1 and x plus 3 multiply, x plus 1 x plus 3, and c x plus 1 x plus 2. There will be x plus 1 x plus 2 and x plus 3, x plus 1 x plus 2 x plus 3. These terms and these terms are cancelled. 3 is equal to a x plus 2 x plus 3 plus b is equal to x plus 1 x plus 3 plus c is equal to x plus 1 and x plus 2. This equation put any quantity, then will be two terms are 0, then the three quantity equating 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the x is equal to minus 1. Put equation number 2, put x is equal to minus 1, then minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, both terms are 0. 3 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 1 and minus 1 plus 3 2, then will be a is equal to 2 3. So a is equal to 3 by 2. Again put x plus 2 is equal to 0, then the x is equal to minus 2. Put in this equation. In equation 2, 3 is equal to, then will be minus 2 plus 2 minus 2, this term will be cancelled, and plus 2 minus 2, this will be cancelled. There will be remaining b, then the b is equal to minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 3 1. There will be b is equal to minus 3, and again put x is equal to x plus 3, then will be x minus 3 equating 0, x minus 3 in this equation 1, equation 2. Then the put 3 is equal to minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancel, plus 3 minus 3 cancel, remaining term will be c minus 3 minus 2 into minus 1 remaining, then the c is equal to c into 2 3, c is equal to then 3 by 2, both value are put in equation 1. Both side integration of 3 x plus 1 x plus 2 and x plus 3 is equal to dx then is equal to integration of first 1 upon 3 by 2 x plus 1 plus minus 3 by x plus 2 and plus again 3 by 2 x plus 3 and then dx. Integration name is then one or more than one quantity, then will be addition sign. Integration sign is to be separated. This constant are take inside the integration 3 by 2 1 by x plus 1 dx. This sign will be changed minus 3 integration of x plus 2 plus 3 by 2 integration of x plus 3 dx. Then the integration of x plus 1 x plus 2 and x plus 3 triple quantity derivative in present in upper side, there will be both quantity integration in log 3 by 2 minus 3 log of x plus 2 and plus 3 by 2 again log of x plus 3. This is the integration of that third problem. Thank you.